for guys that are wondering about this Ratchet Rake. It costs like 300 bucks. Straps right onto your bucket. Found that little skull a little bit ago, but you know, normal little Kubota. I just want to show you what this can do and exactly what I've done with just this little implement. And this is like the thickest stuff you've ever seen. Bush honeysuckle, buckthorn, red dogwood, and I've gotten it pretty clean. I mean, it's not perfect. This is my 2019 spring project, and so far this will be the biggest food plot on the property. Lots of little pockets, and it's really hard to see in one direction anywhere in this food plot, and that's just how I want it. Little islands and another lane there. And this all narrows down to a pathway that leads to doe bedding and buck bedding and another smaller food source with a couple of stands in between the two. I made the video a couple weeks ago, I think, of some of my buck beds and doe bedding areas. And this path leads to all of that in multiple different spots. Not just one particular direction, but there's one of the paths that they're going to be coming in on, and there's another one that winds around. But you know, a couple tanks of fuel and you know, a day or two, and I had about an acre of really thick stuff knocked out. And it doesn't mulch it like those expensive mulchers, but you can pile it into huge brush piles like that and kind of consolidate it all in one spot. And it's not bad because it's also a visual break, and you just want to make sure not to do that around the whole perimeter, because you don't want the deer to feel boxed in. But that's about it. Thanks.